Hello everyone, welcome to another video. From my long version 1, I have learned a little bit about how to do this now. So if I do the long one, I can learn a little bit to make the short one shorter. So for the next 3 to 4 days, it's going to be pretty nice to step a Friday night into Saturday where we have a 50 to 60% chance of rain somewhere just before midnight Friday into Saturday morning and afternoon, ending probably by the evening hours on Saturday. So for your day Wednesdays, very sunny. It's going to be the same on Thursday, sunny skies, no rain, very decent weather. On your Friday, it warms up quite considerably in the mid 70s, near 80s, with the urban heat effects over here with the winds going over the hills and heating up as it goes down. So it's going to be near 80 in Manchester, probably near 80 in Lowell, just shy off of 80 in Lawrence. So it's going to be quite warm on Friday. The rain starts to approach us by the evening hours, but it won't get us wet on Friday though. Here's the rain moving in, probably somewhere around the midnight area in Connecticut and southern tip of New York here from Massachusetts and Rhode Island. It's going to be nothing until probably somewhere after midnight into the morning hours. So for this model here, most of Connecticut and Rhode Island and southern New York and this is New Jersey. It looks like it's the best chance for rain, but though Massachusetts is probably going to get into the rain, this is just a too low of resolution to look at it, and that's the only chance of rain we're going to have for the next 3 to 4 days, as you can see from here. That goes out of there early on Saturday. High pressure builds in. Sunday is going to be a very nice day. Though Monday is already over my time range here. Let's look at another model for the precipitation. The European says that the rain is not going to get into Massachusetts, only going to be getting into the western part of the Massachusetts. The rain should be held down to this region in my mouse cursor, basically south in New York and to the tip in New Jersey and Long Island is definitely going to have rain, and south in Connecticut, central Connecticut is going to have the rain, but for the most part, the Europeans saying that the rain is going to be too far south. Massachusetts is going to be only a very slim chance, but with a higher definition, a higher resolution models, it looks like it may get into Massachusetts, as you can see here. So just have a heads up that it's going to be having a 50 to 60% chance of rain in Massachusetts, as you can see here, but higher percentages if you go into Rhode Island, Connecticut, and southern New York. As you can see, Pennsylvania and New Jersey is definitely going to have some rain, and that's the only chance of rain the next several days. For them, as I said in the beginning, it's going to be sunny on the rest of this Wednesday. Thursday is going to be sunny. Friday is going to be a partly cloudy day. A little bit more clouds than Wednesday or Thursday, but still pretty much on average mostly sunny skies. But I think there's going to be a few more clouds than Wednesday or Thursday. Then you get into Saturday, depending on how far the low pressure system goes to the north. It could actually end up being more sunnier than I think right now, but I'm going to put it between a mixture of sun and clouds. But I'm going to say mostly cloudy skies in the morning and early afternoon, and then maybe in the afternoon we're going to have partly sunny skies, and then toward the end of the day we get to be clearing out towards sunset, as you can see here. On your Sunday, it starts out sunny with a few clouds in western to central Massachusetts, though it's going to be still partly cloudy skies on your Sunday and relatively decent. I'm not going to go past Sunday because that's more than 3 to 4 days. The next thing I'm going to do is sweep past the temperatures. Most of the region on Thursday morning is going to be in the lower 40s in the high elevation to low to mid 40s in the lower elevations. Let's look at low. Low is about 42. Worcester is about 40. Springfield about 41 to 43. Boston's about 43, as you can see here during this cursor. And we move up to the low to mid 70s in the lower elevations. The urban heat effects is making us quite warm here. 75 in Manchester, that's going to be 76, 77 for high, about 75 in low. Very decent day here on your Thursday. Then Friday we don't cool down as much. Most of the region should be seeing mid 40s during the morning hours on Friday. Friday we rise toward near 80 degrees in this section due to the urban heating effect as the wind goes through the high elevations and heat up east of the mountains, but most places are going to be in the mid 70s, 80s around this location here, 70s in the high elevations in the mountains in the Berkshires naturally. Then when we get into Friday morning is going to be a lot warmer. Actually, no, I'm at Saturday now. Oops, sorry about that. Saturday is going to be mid 50s during the morning due to the rain and the clouds. And then we rise up to about, with the easterly winds in the back end, it's going to be about mid 50s East Coast, about mid 60s central, and about near 70 in the lower elevation areas in the western part of the state. And then by Sunday we get a little bit cooler, probably low 40s, low to mid 40s generally is the word for Sunday morning. And then we rise up, it's about the same temperature as Saturday, low to mid 50s along the coast, low to mid 60s in the central, and upper 60s, low 70s in the western part of the state here. So it's going to be very decent the next 3 to 4 days, besides Saturday where we have the greatest chance of rain. But other than that, it's going to be pretty much a good amount of sunshine and decent weather. Peace out, and I check you up for another update, probably Saturday or Sunday, depending on what's going on. Peace.